Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with new chapter, comparing quantities, that is chapter number 8. And the first question is, find the ratio of the following. So basically comparing quantities, you are going to learn the basic concepts of ratio, percentage, and discount also, okay? So let's start with first question. Find the ratio of the following. Part A. Speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of scooter 30 km per hour. Okay. Now let's check how to calculate this. Okay, I'll choose a different color. So solution of part A. Speed of a cycle. So you need to calculate a ratio of speed of a cycle divided by speed of a scooter. Speed of a scooter. Okay. Now speeds are given 15 kilometer per hour divided by 30 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour get cancel out from each other. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So the ratio is 1 upon 2, or you can say 1 is to 2. So this is the required ratio of speed of a cycle to speed of a scooter. Okay. Now I hope this question is understood by all. If not, you people are free to ask me in the Google Meet class. But before that, student, you must need to watch this video, submit your work on time, and attend your Google Meet classes. Okay. Now, part B is you need to calculate ratio of 5 meters to 10 kilometers. Okay. So it's a ratio of ratio. Okay. So the ratio become, this is 5 meters divided by 10 kilometer now 5 meter as it is divided by 10 into 1000 meters, because the reason is 1 kilometer has 1000 meters, right? Now meters get cancelled out. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So you will get 1 divided by 2000, right? Or you can write 1 is to 2000. So this is the required ratio. Okay. 1 divided by 2000 is the required ratio. Like in the first example, 1 is to 2 is the required ratio. Okay. Now the third part is you need to calculate a ratio of 50 paisa by 5 rupees. Okay. Now third is ratio of 50 paisa by 5 rupees. Okay, by 5 rupees. So as you all know that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa, right? So you can write 50 paise divided by 5 rupees means 5 into 100 paise, right? So paise by paise get cancel out. From 1010 is cancel out. 5 ones are 5. So the answer is 1 upon 10, or you can write 1 is to 10. So the required ratio is 1 is to 10. So this is how you got the ratios of required values, required quantities, right? Like in example 1, you got the ratio of speed of cycle by speed of scooter, that is 1 by 2. Then in the next example, you calculated ratio of 5 meters by 10 kilometers, right? So 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So you can write 5 divided by 10 into 1000. So 5 twos are 10, you got the value 1 by 2000, or you can write the required ratio is 1 is to 2000. Similarly, in example C, in a C part, you need to calculate the ratio of 50 paisa by 5 rupees, right? So 50 paisa by 5 rupees means 50 divided by 5 into 100. The reason is 1 rupees equals to 100 paisa. I hope this concept is clear to you all. If not, you people are free to ask me in the Google Meet classes. Okay. Now the next question is convert the following ratios to percentage. Now you have some ratios here like 3 is to 4 and 2 is to 3, and you need to convert these ratios to percentage. This is also very easy. Okay, I'll explain here. Like this is part A. Okay, so you have one ratio 3 is to 4 that can also be represented like this, 3 divided by 4. Now you need to convert it into percentage, so you just need to multiply it by 100. So 425 is 100, so you can write 75 percentage, right? So 3 by 4 can be represented in terms of percentage, so I can write 3 is to 4 is nothing but 75%, right? Now the B part is 2 is to 3. Now 2 is to 3 can be represented like this, 2 is to 3 multiplied by 100. So obviously 100 is not a divisible, 100 is not divisible by 3, so you can write 200 divided by 3%, or you can write 3 6 are 18. Okay, I'll do it here. This is 200, so 3 6 are 18. You will get a remainder 2 and then 20. Again 3 6 are 18. Again you got a 22 as a remainder. So similarly you will get 6 6 and up to so on. So you can write 66.67%. So 2 is to 3 is a ratio that can be represented in percentage and for which is equals to 66.67%. Okay, so this is the required answer. These are the required answers. I hope this concept is also understood by all. Now the next question is, okay, the question is 72% of 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. How many are not good in mathematics? Okay, so 72% of 25 students are good in mathematics. What does it mean? So you can write, okay, I'll change the color. 72% of students are good in mathematics. So I'll write students who are good in mathematics, right? In mathematics is equals to 72% of 25, and 25 are the total number of students. Okay, what is 25? 25 is the total number of student, total number of students in the class. Okay, so 72% can be represented like this, and of can be represented by multiply into 25. So 25 fours are 100 and 4 18s are 72. So I can write 18. So students who are good in mathematics is equals to 18 out of 25. So I hope now you can easily calculate that how many students are not good in mathematics, right? So I can write number of students who are not good in mathematics is equals to total minus 18. Okay, I'm not writing the same statement here that students who are good in mathematics. Okay, it will become very lengthy, so that's why I've just written who are not good in mathematics, that means total minus 18 and the number of students is 25 minus 18, which is equals to 7. So this is your answer. This is your answer. Okay. See, the question says is 72% of students are good in mathematics. This is the given condition, that 72% of students, of total students, and 25 is the total number of students. These are the total number of students. Okay, these are the total number of students. So 75% of 25 means 72%, means 72 divided by 100 multiplied by 25. So 25 fours are 100. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 eights are 32. So 18 fours are 32. Okay. So 18 students are good in mathematics. So now you can easily calculate that students who are not good in mathematics, that means total minus 18. So you will get 7. So 7 is your answer. So how many students are not good in mathematics is equals to 7. So this is your answer. Okay. Now students, the next question is, a football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played. Sorry. A football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played. Okay. Now we don't know how many matches they have played. I mean, we don't know what are the total number of matches they played. But we know this thing that they won 10 matches, right? So from the first statement, what the information that we are getting is total number of matches they have won is 10, but we don't know what are the total number of matches. Okay. Now using this statement I can write, using the same statement I can write, let's say, let the total number of matches, let the total number of matches they played. Okay, let the total number of matches they played is equals to x. Okay, let's say they played total number of matches equals to x. Now they won 10 matches. Okay, total number of matches, total number of matches they won is equals to 10, right? This is given in the question, so I'll write given. Okay, I'm writing given here. Now if they win, if the win percentage was 40, that means winning percentage is 40. So you can write winning percentage is equals to 40. That means 40% of total they have won, right? So you can write, so you can write 40% of total matches is equals to 10. So 10 are the total number of matches they won, and in terms of percentage they won 40% matches. That means 40% of total. So what is the 40% of total is? Okay, I'll change the color. So 40% of total. So 40 divided by 100, of means multiply, and the total matches that you have assumed here is x is equals to 10. Now zeros, 0 cancel out. Now you can cross multiply the values. Now you can write 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So you can write 2x divided by 5 is equals to 10 divided by 1. Now you can multiply these values by cross multiplication, by cross multiplication, by cross multiplication. Okay, so you can write x is equals to 5 multiplied by 10 divided by 2. So 2 5s are 10. So the value that you got here is 25. So you will get x is equals to 25. That means they have played, how many matches they have played? 25. So you can write x is equals to 25, or you can write total number of matches they played is equals to 25. So this is the desired answer. Okay, so how many matches did they play in all? So 25 matches they played in all. Okay, so this is how you calculated total number of matches. So you have used here the condition that 40% of total matches is equals to 10. This is in numbers and this is in percentage. Okay, so if I can say that in total they won 10 matches, but if somebody asked me that what percentage of matches they have won, so I can write 40% of matches they won out of 25. Okay, now the last question for the day is, if Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money, how much did she have in the beginning? So Chameli had spent now Chameli has left with 600 rupees, and he spent 75% of her money, of her saving, or you can say. So how you can calculate this question? See, let's say, let she has x rupees. Let's say she has rupees x in the beginning. Let's say she has x rupees in the beginning. Now, after spending 75% of the money, so you can say money left. You can say money left with Chameli is equals to, initial money is rupees x. Now she has spent 75% of total. Okay, so 75% of money that she has in beginning, so x minus 75% of x will give you money left with Chameli, right, in percent. So x minus 75 divided by 100 multiply by x. So 25 threes are 75 and 25 fours are 100. So I can write x minus 3x divided by 4. Now you can take the LCM, you will get 4x minus 3x. Okay, so the value is x divided by 4. So do you agree with this? So the money left with Chameli is 1x by 4, and here one condition is given, or you can say one additional information is given, that Chameli had 600 rupees left. So now she has, how many rupees she has? 600 rupees. Okay, so you can write money left with Chameli is equals to rupees 600, right? So now you can say that these two values are equal. Now I can put 600, or I can write 1x divided by 4 is equals to 600. Just cross multiply these values, you will get the value of x, that is 600 multiplied by 4, that is 2400. So initially Chameli has 2400 rupees. Okay, so you can write Chameli had 2400 rupees in the beginning. this is your answer, and I hope this concept is clear to all. So this is the basic concept of percentage, ratios and percentage, okay, in comparing quantities. So this is the first topic. This is the first exercise. So here I have completed the first exercise. Some questions I have intentionally left for you all as a homework, but if you people find it any difficulty while solving those questions, so don't worry, I'm here to help you out, okay? You people can ask those questions in the Google Meet class, okay, students? So these are some questions of exercise 8.1. So this is the good question. This is one of the good question that if Chameli had 600 rupees left after spending 75% of her money. So what you did here is first you assume that initially she has X rupees, then she has spent 75% of the money that she initially has. So what he did, simply x minus 75% of that money. So the remaining money is 1x by 4, or you can say 25%. Okay. Now this 1x by 4 is equals to 600 rupees, because this is given in the question itself that now she has 600 rupees with her. Okay. So 1x is equals to x by 4 divided is equals to 600. So the value is 2400. Okay. So students, this is all for the day. I hope this concept is clear to all. Okay, students, thank you.